Hello and welcome to Simply CM's channel. What we did actually late last night, there is this app called Too Good To Go, where you can buy food that's about to be thrown out. It can be for buffets, it can be from...
Buffet?
Nothing better than a wife who corrects you all the time. Reminder to myself, look for new wife. Okay, there is this app, Too Good To Go. It's like to eliminate food waste. And then you can buy, in this case, it's sushi, which I despise. I hate sushi. I don't understand it. I don't like it. But the wife does, and what I don't do to make my wife happy. So I went out and I bought this package of sushi. Actually, the nice lady there, she packed so much extra in it. So my wife have not even eaten the sushi from last night. So she will eat it to lunch today, and that's now. So basically what it does, to eliminate food waste, you can buy leftovers instead of the throwing it out, who's still okay to eat. So let me show you what we got. So here's what we got. Sushi. And I don't know how many pieces there are. If you can take a picture, stop the video and count. I don't know, but there's a lot more than you can eat in one sitting. So, is it yummy? I don't know. Not for me. Absolutely not for me. Is it cheap? 49 Danish kroner. It's the same as around, I would guess, $8. So, that's what you get. She's happy. I'm happy because she's quiet. At least as long as she eats the sushi, I will hear no arguing coming out of her mouth. So, Too Good To Go. Happy times.
Some happy thing is trying to make me smile. Some happy things make me stop for a while.